Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this cool little kitchen gadget. Actually, there's 3 in here, and I love the fact that there's tools specifically designed to make prepping and cooking easier, and I love to get to try them out. This one here is no exception. This actually is a 3-piece kit. I'm going to kind of pull it out here and show you. You actually have this piece here that is a complete stainless steel. This is for shrimp, getting out the stomachs and kind of helping pull out that portion of it. It's a nice perfect curved scoop to get behind the head area and get the stomach out of there. You also have this fully plastic piece, really long, especially if you've got jumbo type shrimp, to help de-shell those. This actually can slide completely back and pull up to de-shell those, which is really nice, and of course all washable. You can stick this top rack in your dishwasher, which is great. But this here is the actual main piece that is here. This is actually a deveining tool, but it's so much more than just that. It is extremely sharp, so they do provide you with a couple of protective pieces here. And you actually have your deveining notch that is right there at the front of this. Again, really sharp knife on this. You get a bottle opener put in there for that. And this here actually is used as a descaler to descale fish. But this is going to really help work out, loving the fact it's all one piece. So this isn't like something that is going to get a bunch of junk stuck down in it. It's all one solid piece, easily can be sanitized, washed, put through your dishwasher, very lightweight, and it's a very large enough size that if you have those bigger shrimp, you can easily get in there to work with those. But I think this is going to work well to help save me lots of time prepping in the kitchen.